in my bubble. Okay. Ah. Oh. Steven eats all the sweets anyway, so.
Yeah. Share one, he said. Oh.
I'm just gonna do them all.
All these are really difficult. Oh, that was so close.
Let's. Yeah! I'll take that. Oh.
Ew. This is not easy. No.
Yeah. What did you do?
Oh, I didn't want that in there. Good thing, okay? Look at.
Yeah! Yeah!
Boom, baby! I'll take this one. Sorry, Stevie. Just drink a bit. Oh gosh, it's bad.
I know.
I told you.
No, it's not.
Fizzy water is gross.
I say, he says 3. Boom!
Oh, did you get
I'm
it?
gonna take my popcorn.
No.
What?
Yay!
Oh, well done.
I want the peanuts.
Oh!
Yay!
What? I'm going to bed hungry tonight.
What happened, Stevie?
Well, you can finish the rest.
Now
Yeah, you can have the water.
we'll get one each. One burrito and one.